Hey, today we are in Audi A7 with a MIB2 based infotainment system. This is MIB2 High by Harman, and Audi calls all the systems MMI, but let me show you how to reboot this system. So we have the display over here, we have the mine unit over here, oftenly mistaken with CD changer, but this is the mine unit. This is where all the magic happens, and we have the control panel over here. So if you have some issues with the system, maybe it's not responding correctly, maybe the buttons are not working, maybe the navigation froze, or maybe you made some changes in coding or adaptation with Audi A7 or VCTS or other diagnostic tools. Either way, if you need the system to be rebooted, there's a combination for it, so you don't need to disconnect the battery or doing some crazy things like this. All you need to do is press the menu button, the control knob, and the upper right button. All three at the same time, short press, and when you do this, you will notice that the display will go dark. So let me do it. The display goes entirely dark, and we have the welcome logo over here, and I believe right now the system is just rebooting. It's loading its components. It will be set back to default volume level, so right now we need to turn down the volume, and after a minute or two you will have full access to all the functionality of this system. Right now we can set the ride height, but I believe if we go to navigation we will see some information that the navigation is still loading. And once it's loaded, we can use it, and the same goes for all the other components of this infotainment system. Okay, so that's it.